The made in 4 quarts stainless saucepan is a solid choice for anyone looking for a durable and versatile saucepan. It's made from 5-ply stainless steel. This means it has layers of different metals bonded together. This design helps it heat evenly and retain heat well. I've used it for a variety of cooking tasks. It handles sauces, soups, and even small batches of jam with ease. The lid fits snugly. This helps to keep steam and heat inside. The base is thick. This prevents scorching. It also works on induction cooktops. The made in 4 quarts stainless saucepan feels sturdy and well made. It seems like it will last a long time. This saucepan is easy to clean. Food doesn't stick too badly. It's not Teflon coated, but it cleans up without too much scrubbing. I've tested it with different cooking methods. It performed consistently well. The heat distribution is even. You don't have to worry about hot spots. The handles stay relatively cool. This is a good feature. I haven't noticed any warping or damage, even after repeated use. Some people might find the price a bit high, but the quality justifies it. It's crafted in Italy. It's not just some cheap stuff. You can feel the quality. The made in 4 quarts stainless saucepan is a good investment for a serious home cook. Overall, the made in 4 quarts stainless saucepan is a reliable piece of cookware. It's a good size for everyday cooking. I haven't used it for any apps or fancy recipes, but it handles basic cooking well. It's a good replacement for older saucepans. You can find reviews and tests online. Some show scientific tests of heat distribution. It doesn't have any non-stick strips or coatings, but the stainless steel does a decent job. It is a good choice if you want to avoid non-stick coatings. You might find similar pans from other brands. Some are made in Canada. You might even find some used cookware on sites like Abe Books. But the made in 4 quarts stainless saucepan is a good choice for a new pan. Pros: heavy and solid, great heat distribution, easy cleanup, high quality, excellent sear, even heating, sturdy feel, snug lid, cool handle, easy to use, easy to clean, excellent quality. Decent weight, helper handle. Cons: cleaning not as easy, pricey side, problem filtering. Reviews: not inexpensive, budget trained. Heavy, reload the page, none mentioned, no given features. 4 quart capacity, stainless steel, includes lid 5-ply clad, professional grade, made in Italy, induction ready. Saucepan design, durable build, even heating. This is a 4 quart saucepan for cooking sauces and other foods. It's made from 5 layers of stainless steel, helping it heat evenly. It comes with a lid and is built to last. This pan is made in Italy and is designed for professional use. It works on induction stoves and other cooktops. The made in 4 quart stainless steel saucepan is a high quality Italian-made pan with a 5-ply construction for even heating and good heat distribution. It's praised for its sturdy feel, snug lid, and cool handle, making it easy to use and clean. Many users find it great for searing and appreciate its overall quality and decent weight. However, some find it a bit heavy and pricey, and a few mention that cleaning can be a bit challenging.